Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the July 2021 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit comes out every month. It includes 2 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Along with your kit, you'll have access to 2 recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by the design team, and they give you cutting and assembly instructions and a full color photograph of the finished layout. So you can create right along with our design team. You can also take off and do whatever you like with your kits. This month, we have some really great collections. We have Cartabella Summer, and this is just a beautiful summer themed watercolor. It's just gorgeous. And then from Photoplay Paper, we have Birds of a Feather, and this is all about documenting memories and friends and some fun little embellishments that are going to be perfect to make some cards. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything you're going to receive in this month's kit. Our first collection we're going to look at is Summer from Cartabella. And who's with me in loving that heavy textured cardstock weight of Cartabella paper and their beautiful colors? So for this particular kit this month, you're going to start with 2 sheets of rain cardstock and 1 sheet of flamingo cardstock, beautiful pinky red. Your pattern paper is this one. That's a gorgeous floral done in watercolors. The back is a grid design in blue. This one is called Summer Day Floral. Then we have all of the postage stamps with summer icons on them on the blue background. So this would make a beautiful background. You could also fussy cut a few of those to tuck in your embellishments. The back is, again, that gorgeous flamingo pink color with the large white circles. This one is called Summer Stamps. Then we have the 4x4 cut apart. So lots of different icons, little sayings. You can tuck these in to use as your titles or subtitles. I love doing that. You can also fussy cut some of them for embellishments. Cut them down, so don't be afraid to alter your 4x4 cards. You can have a lot of fun with them. The back is a stripe in all of the different colors from this collection. Again, that watercolor look goes throughout all of the papers. Just gorgeous. And this one is called 4x4 journaling cards. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun because there's always words on here that you can use as titles. And we normally have little word labels and phrases, and there's a banner, and then all of the icons that you can build little scenes or build up your clusters. We have word labels down here all about summer, and then a floral strip as well. So plenty of embellishments. So that is Cartabella Summer. Our next collection is Birds of a Feather from Photoplay Paper. This revolves all around about friendships, but it's also just a fun, bright collection documenting memories. It's just a great collection. I love all the bright colors. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of key lime. This paper here is called Nesting, and it has this fun little play on these trees with geometric shapes and the little birds, toucans, nesting in the tree. We have a butterfly, some hearts. I think that's just really fun. The back is a play on stripes, so it's kind of wiggly lines with dots. This paper called Spread Your Wings, and it has these little oval type shapes that kind of resemble wings or leaf petals, but in the bright, vibrant colors. The back is a turquoise, and it has just little like hashtag marks. This one called Flock is a black with white polka dot, and then the back are all of the cute little toucans, the little birds, just so much fun. So you're going to see in the embellishments how you can really document friendships, memories, and then take your leftovers and create some cards really easy. So this is a really fun collection. So for your embellishments, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera. So these are going to vary among the kits, but this is a good representation. So you can see there's some that just have patterns and things to them. Most of them have words. This one says, "You are beautiful, enjoy the little things, here and now." So you can document any type of memories. But then we have "Bestie," "I really believe in you." You know, so those will be great for friendships. And the other embellishments that you're going to get is this dies paper. So what Photoplay paper has done is they have these dies paper, and you can go in and fussy cut them, but they also have matching dies. So if that's something you're into, be sure to check out dies, the dies that coordinate with this. So we have this large block here that could be the base of a card. We have a couple of sentiments, sending you a cheerful hello. "You are such a tweet friend. Thanks so much. Just because." And then we have this banner down here, "You're such a tweet friend." And they give you this little example where you can make the card out of these elements. So that's a lot of fun. But it also gives you an idea. You can duplicate that with the patterns that are in your kit this month, or take some of your cardstock and different things and make this go even further. So we have lots of the little toucans and the birds, these little leaf petals, the small flowers, the little bumblebee. So many cute icons, and perfect to create just a few little cards to send out to your besties. So that is Birds of a Feather from Photoplay paper. One more look at your double shot kit this month. Be sure to check out the flavors of the month if you're wanting even more products, or the shots of life. We also have a card kit if you enjoy making cards. And we have individual items available in the store that you can have shipped right along with your kit. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.